No. What are these?
This
Here, keep dumping.
one.
Keep seeing what's in here. Here, let's see what's in here. Put that down. Put your snacks there. Trust me, there's lots of snacks. Yeah, put them down and let's look and see what else is in here. What else is in there? What's on those? Look. Look. Fire truck. Keep looking, honey. Look. Put your hand in there. See what you can get out. What else is in there?
No.
It's a toothbrush. Look. You can brush your teeth now. See what else is in there. Okay, we'll try. We'll open it in a minute. Let's see what else is in here. See what else is in there. Here. You need help? Let's see what's in here. I'll do it in there.